Cooking oils. It has been widely believed for many years that we can cook our food in industrially processed seed oils and still be healthy. Now we are beginning to realize the link between these products and poor health. The cells in your body are made of fat and cholesterol, so it is important that you must consume the healthiest possible fat. Using inferior, easily oxidized oils in food preparation or in cooking leads to increased oxidative damage in the cell membrane. This video discusses the nature of different cooking oils, which can determine the healthiness of your diet. It is important to understand the benefits and drawbacks when you cook with any oil. Let's dive into the kind of oils that you may want to avoid. So which oils are unhealthy? Number 1. Canola oil. Canola oil is a vegetable oil that is extracted from the seeds of the canola plant. It is used in cooking and is an ingredient in many packaged foods. It is one of the most popular vegetable oils in the world. Canola oil has been around for over 40 years, and it was first used in Canada. The main problem with canola oil is that it contains high levels of omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fatty acids are pro-inflammatory and have been linked to a number of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and obesity. In addition, canola oil is made from rapeseed plants, which are genetically modified to lower the amount of erucic acid they produce. Erucic acid can be toxic to humans, and it can cause heart disease because it raises cholesterol levels. Number 2. Cottonseed oil. Cottonseed oil is a type of vegetable oil that is extracted from the seeds of cotton plants. It has a high smoke point and can be used for frying, baking, and sautéing. Cottonseed oil also has a high level of polyunsaturated fats, which are good for heart health. While cottonseed oil has been used in cooking for centuries, it is not a healthy choice for cooking oils. Cottonseed oil is unhealthy because it needs to be refined to get rid of a chemical known as gossypol, which is a naturally occurring toxin that gives its color and protects the plant from insects. In some places, cottonseed oil is also used to repel pests because of the presence of gossypol, and this substance has also been linked to infertility problems in adults and brain damage in children. Cottonseed oil also lacks omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Number 3. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a natural oil that is extracted from the seeds of grapes. It has a light, nutty flavor and is rich in antioxidants. Grapeseed oil can be used for cooking or as an ingredient in salad dressings, sauces, dips, and marinades. The health benefits of grapeseed oil include its ability to lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood circulation. Grapeseed oil also contains antioxidants that can help fight free radicals and prevent cell damage. Research suggests that grapeseed oil contains high levels of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAH, and these chemicals can be dangerous to our health. Grapeseed oil is also not recommended for high heat cooking because it has a high level of polyunsaturated fats, which quickly spoil under heat. It's fine to use in salad dressings or baking, but not ideal for frying. Number 4. Flower oil. Safflower oil is a vegetable oil that is extracted from the seeds of the safflower plant. It has a high smoke point and is used in cooking as well as in skincare products. Safflower oil is not as healthy as other oils because it has a high omega-6 content. Omega-6 fatty acids are essential to the human body, but too much of them can lead to inflammation and other health problems. The use of safflower oil for cooking should be limited, and it should only be used in small quantities for salad dressings or dips. Number 5. Soybean oil. Soybean oil is a vegetable oil that is extracted from soybeans. It can be used in cooking and is an ingredient in many processed foods. Soybean oil has a high smoke point, which makes it ideal for frying, and it has a mild flavor that makes it popular for use in Asian cuisine. The main reason why soybean oil is unhealthy is that it contains high levels of omega-6 fatty acids. The human body needs a balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids to maintain good health, but the ratio of the two should be close to 1:1. Soybean oil has a ratio of 20:1, which means that it provides too much omega-6 and not enough omega-3 fatty acids. In addition, soybean oil may increase the risk of inflammation in the body, which can lead to heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. With that being said, which oils are healthy and which should you use? Number 1. Bacon grease. Bacon grease is the fat and juices that come from cooking bacon. It has a high smoke point and is often used as cooking oil or shortening. Bacon grease is a popular cooking oil in the United States. It is used for cooking meats, vegetables, and other foods. Bacon grease has a high smoke point and it's relatively inexpensive. Cooking with bacon grease is healthy because it contains monounsaturated fats, which are known to reduce cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Number 2. Tallow. Tallow is a type of animal fat obtained from the tissues of cattle and sheep. It is solid at room temperature and semi-solid when refrigerated. Tallow is used in cooking as a condiment or frying oil, and in soaps and candles as a raw material for making tallow products, such as stearin. The word tallow comes from the Old Norse word talg, meaning animal fat. Tallow has been used for centuries in cooking. It is very healthy because it contains omega-3 fatty acids. The omega-3 fatty acids help to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Tallow also contains conjugated linoleic acid, which reduces the risk of cancer and improves brain function. Number 3. Suet. Suet is a type of animal fat that is used in cooking. It can be obtained from beef or mutton, and it can be used as a substitute for butter. Suet is often referred to as animal fat, but it can also come from other animals such as pigs or sheep. It is also often used in the making of suet cakes, which are made by combining suet with flour, sugar, oatmeal, or other ingredients such as fruit and spices. The fats in suet are also good for our own health. They help us maintain healthy levels of cholesterol and protect against heart disease, obesity, and other health problems. Suet is popular in many countries. It can be used as cooking oil or added to stews or casseroles for flavor and richness. Number 4. Avocado Oil. Avocado oil is a plant oil that is extracted from the avocado fruit. It has a high smoke point and can withstand high temperatures. It also has a light taste and can be used as a salad dressing or as an ingredient in other dishes like guacamole, soups, and sauces. Avocado oil has been shown to have many health benefits and can be used in cooking and in certain beauty products. Since avocado oil is made from the flesh of the avocado fruit, it is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids like oleic acid, which are good for your heart. It also contains vitamin E and carotenoids, both of which are antioxidants that help protect against free radicals in the body. It's important to note that while avocados are high in calories, adding avocado oil to your diet does not cause a drastic increase in your overall calorie intake. Number 5. Butter. Butter is made from cream, which is churned until it separates into butter and buttermilk. The liquid buttermilk drains off, and the solid butter stays behind. Butter can be salted or unsalted, depending on what you prefer to use in your cooking. Butter is a good option for cooking because it contains healthy fat, which makes food taste richer. It also has a higher smoke point than other fats, meaning it can be used for high heat cooking. Butter is high in vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin E. It also contains essential fatty acids like omega-3s and omega-6s. Butter also contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which may reduce the risk of cancer and lower blood cholesterol levels. Butter tastes great on toast, baked potatoes, veggies, pasta dishes, rice dishes, etc. Number 6. High-quality olive oil. Olive oil is a type of vegetable oil derived from olives. Olive oil has many health benefits, such as lowering the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure, and may also help with weight loss. Olive oil is best taken uncooked because it has a relatively low smoke point, which means that it breaks down under high heat. Olive oil can also be used as an ingredient in salad dressings or marinades because it adds flavor to the dish while still being healthy for you. Olive oil is a healthy fat that is rich in antioxidants. It also contains oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Overall, once you know what your cooking needs are, it's time to pick the oil that you're going to use. Long-term stability is important when it comes to high-heat cooking. With a higher smoke point, oils break down and produce unhealthy compounds. Some oils, such as olive and avocado oil, can withstand higher cooking temperatures. Adding these oils to your diet also provides various antioxidants, unsaturated fatty acids, and other compounds that may help your health.